I'm at the Respect the Underground showcase last night. It was awesome. Right now, I'm just getting up, um, um, trying to get myself together, drink some coffee. I'm still pretty much tired. I ain't even gonna lie. My wife is knocked out. She got a chance to dance her little heart out last night, so it's been a while since she had a chance to do that. So I'm really happy, you know what I mean, for her that she got a chance to do that. And man, believe it or not, my wife sold 10 tickets. Ain't that something? I mean, she sold 10 tickets at $15 a piece, and her people came out and supported greatly. And then her people brought some more people, and then I sold 10 tickets, and my people brought some people, you know what I mean, that I didn't sell tickets to, but they still purchased them, you know what I mean, they got in. So it was cool, man. It was a nice crowd. Folks came out, man, and supported the movement. It was something different. Like I say, I'm from the southeast, so you got to think the southeast coming to the southwest, but they most definitely felt me. I mean, people like good music, you know what I'm saying? So they was like digging what I had going. Um, my deep sea diving act, oh man, they was digging it. How did I make it home? Frank Lucas. I mean, you know, the beats was on point, so you could actually groove to them. So they was, you know, they came out, man, and I ain't gonna lie, I was impressed. I was impressed from the reaction of the crowd. Didn't really know how they was gonna react, but I was just gonna give my all, you know what I mean, regardless of how they responded. And man, they they showed me some love, man. So like I say, I really appreciate the support that I get, and from the team, like I say, from the Respect the Underground team, from giving me the opportunity to even address the city. You know what I mean? To show the city, hey, I'm new here, I'm hungry, I got a few things going. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to be signed. I'm trying to just spread my brand, just let people know about good music and what I'm doing, my movement. You know what I mean? So I'm not trying to get signed by no label. I mean, I feel like I signed myself, and I'm just networking, you know what I'm saying, with different people. I just want to spread the movement of good music, because I remember when it was a time where that's what it was all about. Um, the energy, the lyrics, the vibe, the beat, you know what I'm saying, the conversation of the artist, and then once you met him, you're like, oh, this is his persona or whatever. And no lie, check this out. I had a few people tell me, male and female, tell me that they didn't expect me to perform or to be as live as I was, you know what I'm saying? Because of, you know, they said, man, you real, you know, laid back and kind of proper, you know what I mean? Your shirt was in your pants, you got polo on, you got your jeans, you know what I'm saying? Levi's creased up with your Air Max, you know what I'm saying? Can't go on, you know what I mean? So it was something different. My chin hair braided up, you know what I mean? I'm smiling, mouth full of gold, you know what I'm saying? Shining in the earlobe, you know what I mean? And they was digging it, man, because it was different, but I was just being me. That's just my style. It's simple. You know what I mean? It's simple. It's just clean. You know, I represent that clean one-on-one, which means, you know what I mean, just you don't have to go all the way out to look good. No, I don't even believe in it. I'm not spending all my money just to look good. I mean, no, it's not happening. But I will spend money, you know, to build my business, and that's what I want to do. I mean, I moved to Phoenix, Arizona to be independent and to start something. I kind of feel like no lie, just to be honest with you, I kind of feel like the slave who was finally set free and was able to buy his freedom, pretty much was able to buy his freedom to finally say, hey, I'm finna leave and do something better now. And I left and struck out, you know, to the southwest. It just so happened where I landed, and there was better opportunity, and I was pretty much, you know, people would judge you, but they were still giving me an opportunity. So it was different than people judge me. No, I'm not going to help him. I can't see him making no money. But they didn't do that here. They probably judged me and said, I don't know, you know, about this dude. I don't know if he can do this, but let's give him a shot. They gave me a shot. And I mean, they giving me a shot. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here making it. I'm proof that you can go somewhere. You can start over. It's all about investing in you, putting money behind you, believing in you, and going that extra mile. The main thing, not having no excuses. Don't have no excuses, man. Stop coming up with so many excuses why things are hard. Yeah, everybody got problems. Yes, we know life is not fair. That's a fact. So let's move on to something else. But we do know the more you practice, the more you grind, the better you get. You see what I'm saying? And that's all I'm trying to do, man. I'm just trying to live to be remembered, man, and do something different for my kids and leave an inheritance, and then let people know who I am as an artist, not just as a rap artist, but as a welding artist, as a fabrication artist. You know what I mean? I feel like I got many skills, and I want to be able to show that as a whole to my people and those who want to grow and want to do better. Like, hey, you really can come from nothing and be something. You know what I mean? I did 10 years in prison. You know what I mean? Most didn't even expect me to make it. You see what I'm saying? And I came out and built my own business, educated myself and learned. And yeah, I bumped my head time for time, but that's life. I never gave up though. Neither should you. Hog on.